So hi everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binders. So today we are having some more products from Whitestonedome and this time we are having for iPad 11. So we are going to test these glass screen protector and let's see how good these are. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here we got two Whitestone screen protector for iPad 11 and this one is privacy and this one is clear type. So first we are going to test the privacy one. So here we are having our iPad 11 and we are having a case on it. So this one is from ESR something. I will put the link in the description if you want to have this case. This is good premium made case and there is an auto wake up option is there. So whenever you open it, it will auto wake up, and also you can use it in a tab mode like this, which is great. So let's talk more about its features. So it is easy to install, one touch detachable is there, bilateral privacy is there, so both ways you can get it. 60 degree of viewing angle, which is great, so any person sitting besides you will be not able to have a gaze what you are doing. And also it's anti-scratch and two-way. Okay, that's great. And it's having 0.33 mm thickness, not very thick, resistance to heat shock, and these are the included pouch. We are gonna take it out. So here it comes. So this is all we are having. We are having the installation guide is there. We need to clean it by using this microfiber cloth and also this alcohol swab. So first thing first, we need to clean our tab thoroughly by using this alcohol swab pad. Just apply the alcohol all over the pad and just clean it by using the microfiber cloth. So once you're satisfied with your cleaning result, let's head to step 2. So for better results, I would recommend to turn your device off and use the dust remover sticker to remove fine dust particles. Just peel this around 20% and just level it with your iPad edges and use this tab to pull out all of your screen protector. So everything is pretty on place. There are a little bit of bubbles here and there. Just use the microfiber cloth and just squeeze them out to the outer side and they will be removed. You can even use a card to squeeze them out. Apply a uniform pressure everywhere so that it should stick perfectly onto your iPad and should not come out until and unless you want to peel it off. So one thing you will definitely notice that the brightness will be reduced a little bit when you're using the privacy case because some of the light will be blocked by the screen protector, but still you will see that it's very vibrant and colorful. So the only problem with this privacy screen protector is that you need to always put your screen protector at right angles to your eyes so that you can have a clear vision. So also it works great in the landscape mode, and the same thing applies when you turn your device to 60 degree. You will be not able to view it. So unless and until it is turned to 80 degrees, you will be able to view this. But in the portrait mode, you just go 60 degree and boom, everything goes out. So it's better in portrait mode than in landscape mode. And they claim that this is scratch resistant. So let me have some scratches and let's see how good it is going to handle these scratches. Wow. Works great. For the sake of this video, let me try it all over the screen this time. And yeah, just clean it. So definitely useful in long-term cases if you want to keep it. So there's a little bit of scratches on the surface, no dents, which is pretty great. So if you've not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications whenever I upload new videos on my channel. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and catch you in the next video.